Pack, boom, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Westfield, local and long-distance movers near me. Locals and non-residents can enjoy the full range of our long-distance interstate and interstate relocation services. Our drivers are trustworthy and will handle your things like it was theirs. They'll also get the job done within the shortest time possible. Our long-distance services are efficient, timely, organized, and affordable. We'll never overcharge you when you hire us. We also have insurance policies to deal with damaged or lost items. We use Locomove to refer to relocation services that take place within the same state, usually less than 50 miles. We also offer these services at $30 to $40 per hour, which is probably the lowest price you'll find. We keep our prices reasonable to make our services accessible for our clients. We also assure you that we will give you the best service for every dollar you pay us for your local relocation process. Our drivers are licensed and know how to navigate the congested areas within Westfield. Our crew is the most dedicated and selfless in the industry. Our company is located right at the heart of the city, giving you access to us any time of the day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.